If this is what you call garden, I'm a Hollywood actress. Put the blinds down. Be more depressed than you are. Don't get any light in because you may be happy. I didn't even notice. Half of the floor is missing. No, I refuse to believe that you are being serious with this. And you put it in the listing. You put this in the listing. You're being serious. Come to think of it, this looks like a cemetery. Like you just buried the bodies and put the concrete on it, you know? Here's the deal, guys. I thought I cannot make part 3 because I don't have enough content. I mean, you know, I cannot just find these horrible ads, listings for rentals like every day and it's gonna be hilarious. Well, I was wrong because what I found today was definitely something that made me sit in front of the camera and I have little tears in my eyes because it brought me to a state of laughter which lasted for a very long time and I calmed down. So I didn't see all of it. I just did like first 3 and it just cracked me. I want to show you. Large double room, fine. This is not the best part. The best part am I potentially the only one who thinks that this is not okay? This is literally called the grass. We need to cut it. Why don't we just put the concrete on it? Problem solved. Job done. So what are you possibly gonna do in this garden? Come to think of it, this looks like a cemetery. Like you just buried the bodies and put the concrete on it, you know? £1,000. Great. This was definitely not designed when this house or whatever or apartment was built. The intention for this specific space was not, I can tell you 100%, this was not an intention for a room. Wardrobe, storage space, something like that, yes. A room, no. Look at it. Look at a tiny window. Look at a tiny radiator. And what kind of view is this? And what kind of curtain is this? I use this when I collect and dig out potatoes from the ground, you know? This is what I use. It's a potato sack. Why would I pay for a potato sack on my window? Second bedroom, 1,225. Oh, this is taken, you know. I'm not even like, it's super expensive, but at least it has some kind of window that is not offensive. Budget friendly, 2 double rooms in Notting Hill. Where's Hugh Grant? Show me. 810, 880. Seems fair based on what we've seen. This has been definitely taken from like Hogwarts, you know, the curtains from the, I don't know how to say it in English, where Draco Malfoy was. You have so much space in this bedroom. So much space, you know? Like you can actually put something next to your bed as well. How much is this one? Oh, this is 810 or 880. Why don't you show, like, where do you put the wardrobe? Oh, here it is. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Is it just me? Is it just me that this is unacceptable? Or is it just like, is it more of you? So first of all, this is a jungle. This is not a garden. This is a jungle full of animals and snakes and all that because the grass is tall. You have some weed in here everywhere. It's a minefield. And the trees just go across your fence. Okay, if you don't care about it, fine, have it like this. But you take a picture of it and you put in the listing trying to find someone who would move in, and you put it in the listing. You put this in the listing. You're being serious to show, oh, we have a garden. We don't give a about it. We don't take care of it, but we have a garden. Oh, there's some kind of flowers here. My brain just exploded right now. I'm just fried. complain, oh my god, everything is so expensive. Well, if you plant the potatoes in it, maybe you would save some pounds because you would have your own garden. No, I give up. Amazing view again. I would swear there's no way I'm gonna find, in such a short period of time, another, horrible properties that people try to rent out. And here we are. 685, a nice room with a beautiful see-through window. If you have a window that you cannot see through, that's never a good sign because it means that, there is some kind of space where people can see you from that space. Why would you want to have a bedroom in this place? In the previous... Can you see what I see? At first I was like, listen, the chair is so lame. That's not even 10 pounds. That's $5.99. I didn't even notice half of the floor is missing. Like half of the floor is missing. To cover it up, you put the table on it. Oh my God. Okay, 685 is not that bad. So you can say, oh, it's not, at least it's not 1,000 pounds. Okay, fine. Missing floors. Oh, well, sure. I'm sorry, is there a radiator outside? This is the weirdest picture I've seen so far. Hello, toilet. We're just getting started. Fabulous room in the heart of Canary Wharf. 1,200. Hospital bed. Stolen from the hospital. That's it. Oh, this is what you get for 1,200. There you go. And this is your remote work desk. And the window. So much light in the room. You would go crazy, right? Large double room in 1,350. Excuse me? Oh, I love those chairs. Like, we should have a video just with chairs. Why is everybody just shutting the blinds? It's like, why the architects put the windows of the bedrooms, or maybe that's not designed for being a bedroom. So you just like, put the blinds down, be more depressed than you are. Don't get any light in because you may be happy. Tell me you're joking right now. Tell me this is not a living room. I really don't know whether I should cry, laugh. Am I even taking this seriously? Looks like some kind of thing from the hospital. Oh, you're pregnant, let me see. Take a screenshot of the picture. What is this? Do you know how easy it is to crop the picture on your phone? It takes you 2 seconds. And you just so agents or whoever is putting this on, it's just like Why are you doing this? Why? I'm gonna sing Linkin Park song soon. Carpets, we love carpets, don't we? Wow, this is so big. It's dangerously big. Look at the wall. So nice and clean. Where do you put the chair if you have the table? We don't have space. You don't have space. 1,100. I thought it's a bed. Oh wait, it is a bed. With the bathroom. How to use Microsoft Excel. No, I'm joking. Why you always crack me? You always crack me down with your gardens. Plus this one has a bonus because it has a dead body in it, in a bag. How lazy do you have to be to just leave this? I don't care if you're not the owner. I lived in a house with a huge garden, actually much bigger than this. And I was cleaning it, I was taking the weed out, I was cutting the grass every second day because I wanted to live in a nice place. Why are you doing this? How lazy do you have to be to do oh, I live here, but it's not mine, so I don't give a shit, What the is wrong with you people? What the Victorian ensuite with garden. If this is what you call garden, I'm a Hollywood actress getting the nominee for the Academy Award, and I'm gonna get it and win it. Now I'm gonna go into Avril Lavigne. No, 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 no. ChatGPT, ChatGPT rocket. No, I cannot sing. ChatGPT rocket icon. Let's use AI because it saves me time. I take pictures like this. This is how they take pictures. I finally get it. Yeah, it's good. Let's put it on the ad. Let's put it in the listings. What's this? Oh my God. Kurt Cobain with glasses. Carpets. You can't be serious. No, this is ridiculous. No, I refuse to believe that you are being serious with this. This is a chair for Dobby from Harry Potter. You know that little dwarf? What is this? Somebody was watching too many 50 Shades of Grey films. I'm pretty sure that So now you have people who don't care about taking pictures, so they do it like this. And then you have people who, let's take this painting, put it next to the sink and take a picture. Not to say that there's no way this painting will stay there, it was ever there and will ever be there, because it's so impractical. And you take a picture, because you think it looks cool or whatever. Andy Warhol, whose mother was born 100 kilometers from here, is turning into her in her grave, honestly. You put the queen in the bathroom. I can make these, you know what, I can make these videos, I can make hundreds of them. And every day I'm gonna find something. I love this carpet. They found it next to the garbage bin. And they're like, yo, let's put this into our room that we rent out. People will love it. They will love it. They will rent it like this. £1,100 only. Do not wait. Secure your spot. Ooh, this is great. It will be the last one because I gotta go ice skating, but room 1, no carpet. Yay, let's bring the champagne. Why can't you just tidy this? Seriously. Room 2. Why there are so many toys? This is so creepy, honestly. What is this? The video is... Yeah, really nice room. Oh, I'll give you one tip, yeah? You have to start filming whatever you want to film in the horizontal mode, and you have to make sure that the time is right here, not here, the recording time. And then your video is going to be in the correct orientation, of course. This is it for today. I'm definitely going to be back because there's so much more. This is crazy how much content I have. Definitely the highlight is the gardens, I would say, this time. It's crazy. I didn't even plan this. And yeah, thanks for all the comments. I'm laughing at those. Also, I want you to go and read the comments for my videos because it's just some people, unfortunately, it's very sad, but also very funny. Thank you for watching. And yeah, if you want another part, let me know, comment below if you want part 2, part 4. We are not now part 3. I gotta go actually. And yeah, I'll see you next time.